Well, this video is for Chad up in Oklahoma City. Regarding the reverse mechanism on little Hermes Rocket. If you do have any trouble with it, there's a couple things to check. First off, you're going to want to check and make sure that your ribbon is actually inside the guide, which you'll notice you have a little guide right here. And this is the trigger mechanism for the automatic reverse. And there's two of these. There's one on each side. And there should be an eyelet in the ribbon that will hit this and stop and trigger it. You know, as soon as that gets pushed over and then a key gets pressed, then your ribbon will automatically reverse. Now, if you're using a ribbon that doesn't have an eyelet, you can pull it out and tie a knot in it, and as long as that knot is on this side of it, then it'll serve the same function. Other thing to check, so first off, you need to check and make sure you have an eyelet on each end of your ribbon, and you need to make sure that that is on the ribbon, on the spool side of that trigger mechanism. Second thing to check is to make sure that the eyelet or the trigger mechanism itself is adjusted to where it will actually catch them. Because if we compare both of these, one of them, the one on the left here, is in proper shape. It's nice and thin and will catch an eyelet that's coming up to it. The one on the right here, the bottom half of it is bent out a little bit, and the eyelet on the right hand spool is slipping right through there, and it will come up until it hits the vibrator, which is where it stops. And it needs to stop at that trigger mechanism. So I'm going to go ahead and form that bottom half in a little bit to where it fits more snugly on the ribbon, and we'll catch it and automatically reverse. Now, failing that, of course, you have the manual switch for them down here on the sides. But should work fine. Hope this helps.